Well, the stream title still says short stream. Let me edit that. I don't know if this is going to be a short stream necessarily. Oh, can I not edit the text? Hello? There we go. Edit that text. Dash good. Let me actually start up. Also, yeah, I should check if the stream works. The classic check. See if the audio works. I was talking with someone, and it's like, oh yeah, we might like stream together this morning. You know, do a little co-stream. Also, audio seems to work. That's good. And they're like, oh yeah, I was actually planning on like maybe waking up at like 5 a.m. to stream. I'm like, holy shit, real? Well, now I think they're just asleep, which is, fair enough, fair enough. It's just funny. I should maybe send them a message. It's like, I'm live, but you can join in if you want. Hold on, let me actually do that. There you go. Let me bring up the VOD of last time and do the classic, the cycle. We can't let the cycle go. Oh yeah, last time we had this Crunchyroll ad thing. How long did it take me? Okay. Okay, here we go. Now we're basically at the correct time. I'm still very much not tired of this. This is great. Yeah. And one stream where I forgot the text on, it's getting smaller. Thankfully. So tiny in the middle. Oh, I like how it's like so tiny and then you see like one more instance like go out of full screen on the video. And again, it's like surprises just keep happening. There's like hidden layers. God damn. Oh, that's the cursor spin. I'm gonna skip ahead. Okay, we skipped ahead and then we went exactly to the right moment. Amazing. I'm actually gonna let that close and let this play for a bit. Huh? What did I do last time? I don't care enough. Oh no, I'm thinking that would be even more cursed if I had audio enabled on the cycle. I could start doing that. Oh my, oh my. Also, there's a new file here. The save load stuff still has its own tests here. And I'm thinking I might move those tests into the tests file. Maybe. Hold on, where are they? Yeah, here. Like I could just take these and then move them into the tests file so all the tests are in tests. And also there's some tests in lib.rs. But I don't know. Honestly, what I should probably did some a file where I define a class like vector3 and then have all the related tests for vector3 there. Then have a class where I define rotations. I mean, I don't necessarily want to define rotations in one singular file. I could have a file with a bunch of like class definitions. These these tests are great. A right turn and a right turn is a half turn. Yay. Anyway. See, what are we up to? What have I been up to? Oh yeah, I implemented triggers. So cool. So cool. Oh yeah, and also the bug where you could collide with stuff that you're supposed to like step up with, that has been fixed. Um, and I made a unit test for that, which is great. I'm actually going to show the unit test first. So here's the test, and we make a new world, you know, and if I don't make the voxels like this, and instead I just make the game state with a non-voxels thing, then it will make an octree for it as well, which is not what I want in this case. It's kind of strange that I do it like that, but whatever. It is what it is. We make a game state, give it an empty voxel world, and then we place 2 blocks in the world. Spawn the player. Actually, let me just like demonstrate this, I guess. Load an empty world. So I should make that load empty like a built-in thing. That's a 2. I should make just note for this day. There we go. Yeah, actually, I really like the idea of having a like a daily note. Oh yeah. There we go. So we set a block here, and then we set another block. Well, I mean, technically these are going to be at 0, 0, but it doesn't really matter. And then the player is going to get put at 0, 0 entity coordinates. So they're going to be like at the corner of this block, right? Like I can't line myself exactly here, but you know, you can imagine that I'm exactly aligned on the corner of this. And well, I mean, they don't technically get placed here. They get placed like a few blocks above, and then the physics just gets run for, you know, some amount of text, so the player just falls onto the block. So they're gonna be flush on the block. So this way, if I change the player hitbox size, the player will still just be flush on top of this block, because they just fall onto it, right? Very simple. And then I give the player velocity. So let's 5, 0, 0. Well, that's the wrong direction. We can imagine that we're here. Just the other way around. Oh, I have a double space there. I don't handle those currently. Yeah, so we set some velocity. So we're going to be flush against this wall. Right? And then this block gets changed for a slab. Right? And I'm just going to do that. So it gets changed for a slab, and then the player gets moved 1 tick into the other direction, like away from the slab, with a certain speed or a certain velocity, and then the velocity gets flipped, and the player gets moved back in the other direction for 1 tick, right? And before the fix, what would happen is the player would move 1 tick, like some distance away, and when we came back, we would land exactly next to the slab, right? So the player's position would be so that the next entity position would be a position occupied by the voxels of this slab block, right? And what that would do, that the player would basically stand here and then look to the block next to them and be like, holy shit, that's filled in. We're in contact with a wall. We should get our velocity just taken away, for this direction. But we can stair step on this, right? We shouldn't get our velocity eaten, right? So that's a problem. And yeah. So I just made that unit test where it failed. It did the incorrect behavior, and then I fixed it. In reality, I fixed it first, and I was like, holy shit, this could actually make a good, could make for a good unit test. So then I didn't commit the fix, put it on another branch, made the unit test, and then just merged the fix in. I did confirm that the unit test actually fails. But it actually succeeds with the fix. Fails without the fix, succeeds with the fix, right? Yeah, I don't know. It's funny at least to do that. I'm just thinking. Also, there's some stuff I need to fix about sneaking. Like, currently you can't also load map test map 4. Like, you can't sneak and slide on the edge of a block, right? If the sneaking movement would put you midair, then this movement just doesn't happen, which is not really what I want. Also, I kind of want the sneaking to eat your velocity. Currently, if I sneak against an edge like this, I let go, and then I unsneak, then I will fall off, because I still have like a tiny amount of velocity, going towards the edge. And that's not really good. And that's not the behavior that I want. I think it's gonna be sneaking fixes. And what else? We have that, so we should slide. We should get the velocity eaten. And we could also slow down a bit when sneaking. That's usually what happens. I mean, that's what happens in Minecraft. I mean. Aye, aye, aye. Oh, and also the stair boosts. They're completely different now. Um, basically, if we go onto some stairs and I press space, we're actually not jumping on the stairs at all. Let me load the stairs map. So if we press space here, then we're not jumping at all. But the game registers like, oh, we're doing a stair step, we're holding space, we should get a speed boost, right? So it gives like an appropriate speed boost. Like it feels good. That's what I mean by appropriate. And for normal jumps, you get like a different speed boost. I don't know how to explain it well. But there was a problem, it's been fixed, it's great. And we can even do the same speed boost shenanigans on the like test stairs, whatever you want to call these. And it still works out. Also, these stairs like go beyond the visible world a bit. And I wrote it wrong. There we go. And I'm gonna turn on the game audio for a bit. Oh yeah, also triggers. I gotta show triggers. We do triggers first, right? And also let me make the console be visible. Go. All right. So now we have show triggers through, and you can see that the start line kind of just extends above what was there previously, right? And we can still walk through the triggers, and if we go through the start line, the timer starts, right? Very epic. And I think I can make a trigger thing out of these as well and have it work. So let's model trigger. So now we have a trigger finish line. Then we can do this. Yeah. As soon as we overlap with this, then we finish the course. But there's actually a funny discrepancy between oh yeah, and if you have triggers visible, then you can't like override them by placing a block on top of them. It's a bit weird, but if I do show triggers false, then we can't see the triggers. They're still going to be active. You can see the timer starts when I go through this. And, the timer stops when I go through the other triggers. Well, we're here. I'm just going to destroy that for a marker. The discrepancy between normal blocks and triggers, right? So if I have a normal block here, then I can touch this wall and have the course finish, right? Because I touched the thing, right? That makes sense. I have contact with this thing. But with triggers, material. So now there's a finished trigger there. And if I do this, but I need to jump into it, right? So this is the discrepancy. If I'm touching a trigger, it doesn't count. But if I overlap a trigger, then it does count, right? And I'm thinking it's a bit... I don't know how I should handle this. Or I didn't know. I just got an idea, though. Or, most of the time when you're placing triggers, you kind of expect them to only be active when, you overlap with them, right? You wouldn't expect the trigger to be active when you just touch it. So, I wasn't really sure what to do about this. Because let's say there's... yeah, even like this situation. That we have a scenario like this, where you can kind of see the finish area or something. These are triggers. Oh, I placed it somewhere else. I didn't. Okay, I just thought. Yeah, so if we have a finish area here, then we should be able to like fall into it and whatever. And if we could touch the triggers from the side, then this would be like a valid finish position, right? Which is a bit counterintuitive, in my opinion. Like, the player can't go into the triggers, but they can just touch it. They can lick the triggers. But the idea that I just got is basically to handle triggers like I handle everything else. So we can have normal like overlapping contact with the trigger and whatever, but we should also be able to have surface contact with it. That's what I'm thinking. And this is already done. There's an outlet to do. Yeah, this is how we do triggers. We just iterate over blocks. And then for triggers, we just push a contact thing. And that's that. And the contact direction is trigger. I had it say overlap at one point, but then I'm thinking like triggers are the only thing that you can overlap with. Everything else you can have surface contact with. So yeah. And do. Yeah, so what I was thinking, currently I don't need that. Yeah. Wait, can I just say true here and have it be the thing that I want it to be? I might be able to. Let's see. Let's actually place this here, this here. Oh yeah, I can. So now triggers are touchable. There's that one thing I needed to do. Do I want triggers to be a thing you can touch? That's a good question. As long as there aren't like any very counterintuitive things, like I can't touch them through corners, that's good. I mean, I guess it's kind of the decision I have to make and then run with it. I think it's fine. We'll just let triggers be something you can touch. It's a bit more consistent with everything else, I think. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna commit that. Yeah, so what this means is we might have a trigger, and we might... actually, is this good? Thinking. I'm thinking. The only problem with this is if we have a situation where we have some block like a jump pad where we have different behavior on triggers and then on touching, then we might have a situation where we're able to touch the trigger, right? Like this is a trigger block, but if we just stand flush, then we can touch it. But I think that's fine. Like if you shouldn't rely, I shouldn't rely on, you know, have having a distinct difference between triggers and solid blocks. I think this is better. Where is it? Let me think. Well, fuck it, I'm just gonna leave it like this. If it's a bad thing, I can revert it. I feel like making an item for the trigger toggling, honestly. Because I feel like that's a very, very common command. Let's see, what else do I have on the notes? Oh yeah. Hmm. These are things I kind of want to do, but we'll see. I think I'll start with this. This is the easiest thing. It's very much the easiest thing. I can just get it done. And then after that, I should do the sneak fixes because it's the kind of important for the feel. So, commands. I guess I'll just put it here. There's no rhyme or reason to the order of these, which is a bit sad, but whatever. Also, yeah, I love this. Like, making commands is so much fun now. I'm not gonna have fun when I have to do autocomplete for the commands, but, you know, it is what it is. I really want to do the macro thing where I have a struct with a bunch of, like, fields for variables, and then I can do, like, struct parse, and then it does everything. Or then, you know, doing like struct to get autocomplete or whatever. Stuff like that. That would be so cool. I mean, I might do it even without macros, just so everything's consistent. But yep. Yep. Let's see. Oh, actually, we don't want a new command. We want it to be a thing here. Now we want to kind of do a thing. Do something special. I'm gonna make it a bit different, just so I can not shadow variable names and whatever. This here, ugly as hell, but it's fine. Gonna cargo format it soon. It's gonna look fine. Oy. So what do we do here? Here we want to load an empty world. Well, to be honest, this is a really bad way of doing this. Hmm. We already have a iflet here. So I'm gonna do this. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna make this kind of identical to this. Here we just want to do empty. How do we do it in the test? I just did game state new, I guess. Oh, we don't want a game state new. We just want to do voxels new. Yeah. I mean, is this really all that we have to do? Good old semicolon. And you want some. Yes, that works. Also want to modify saves so we can't try to save something that's empty. Well, I'm just gonna do this. It's fine. The compiler complains, then it... Oh. No. The compiler complains about me sharing a variable name, then it's whatever. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's toString. I wrote it and I was like, that feels wrong. Yeah. Couldn't really do anything with anything else. I guess I could have done the same pattern here, but it's whatever. I can go to saves and delete empty. So is this... Is not a thing that's kind of saved. Nice. I know the default map is a thing that I have in the version history. So if I do like this map, it's just a thing in the version history. And if I save default, then we're gonna have this here changing. So I kind of want to do this funny thing where I discard the changes here and I load default again. Yeah. But now I can do load empty, and yeah, it just loads the empty world. Very cool. I can... We can even place a thing and it disappears. Very cool. I meant to toggle the Octree thing, not turn on the fucking orthographic camera. Aye. Okay, that's the first thing done. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm tired slightly. Oh, it's quite a format for doing that. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna do sneaking. Sneak fixes. It's a bit more annoying, but it has to be done. It has to be done. Also, side note, I really love this debug info. Unparking audio thread. Audio thread unparked. We got unparked. Just so nice. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is the whole sneaking logic, apparently. If we're pressing down, which is sneak, and we were on top of ground on the tick, then we see if we have ground below. If we don't, then we don't move. That's kind of stinky. This should be like the first part of the check, really. Or I remember how I did this before. Let me actually draw this. It's such a pain, but it's so good when it's done right. I was thinking I could mangle it into the default movement. But basically what I did before is we have the block that we're on, and then we have our before movement position, we have our after movement position, and if the after movement position is on top of ground, then we don't care, right? We just let the movement happen. If the after movement position is not on top of ground, well, let's say we have ground here, then we would see, okay, there's nothing here. And then we would do 2 more checks. It's like, okay, do we have ground here? And do we have ground here? And if this is the only position with ground, then we go here, right? Because it's on top ground. But it still lets some movement happen. But that might be the wrong kind of thing to do. One other thing I could do is just bake this into the very basic movement. So when we're doing the step by step, we move on one axis. If this puts us, above ground, then we're just like, nah, and we just go to the edge instead. Let's see what that would look like. So we would need a parameter here where it's like, okay, are we sneaking or not? Right, we need to know that. Oh yeah, and also the movement in general just has to be fixed. This is so simple right now. I don't want to overcomplicate it. Do I really? I don't want to start checking for ground here. I just don't. I just don't. Also, how does this mix with stepping? That's one worry on my mind, but I haven't thought through that. So if we're sneaking, we step up a stair, then yeah, that might happen. Like we're sliding on the edge. Do we need to do the sneaking check separately for the stair step and the normal movement? Maybe. Trying to think about this. Uh, hmm. Alright, let go sneak. Oh, makes sense here. I just realized I also didn't demonstrate the new footstep audio. I'll do that later, maybe. Actually, no, I'll do it now. So these are the new footsteps. They play when you land, basically always. Not always, always. And basically, you can know how fast you're going by just listening to the footsteps, you know, if you can't see. I mean, sometimes it's kind of hard to tell how fast you're moving just based on visuals. But the footsteps play based on the distance you travel on the ground. So you can kind of get a feel for how fast you're going just based on the footsteps. But I gotta work on the audio. I know. It's just a sine wave being played and like made quieter over time. I don't change the frequency of it at all. For just frequency change, have to do like phase increment bullshit again. Yeah. I haven't implemented it on this version yet. But this. Okay. Like, I don't necessarily need this to work for every edge case straight away. I just need it to work. Right? And there is a very, very dumb solution I could do where for each movement I have 3 copies. We have the copy that moves, you know, in both directions, X and Z, and then we have a copy that only moves in the X direction and a copy that only moves in the Z direction. But that's like so much work for the computer. It feels like a dumb solution. There, I'm like overlaying the sneaking logic on top of stair stepping, if that makes sense. The sneak logic, like the movement, would also do stair stepping. But if I did sneaking first, and then I did stair stepping, then it's like, how would I implement that? I don't know if that makes sense at all. But it's like, let's say I had perfectly good sneaking logic, and then I want to do stairs. Like the logic might look different than if I, you know, did things this way around, where I first have stairs and then I have sneaking. So I'm kind of also trying to think, okay, let's imagine that we just don't have stairs and we only try to do sneaking, and then we do stairs. How would the logic look like? Or would it look any different? Hmm. I don't know. If I had sneaking first, and I did it the dumb way, and then I did stairs after that, then I would still do all the like duplicated movements if I did the dumb way. So I'm very aware that none of this is comprehensible. I'm just thinking. Uh, yeah, but yeah, I'm thinking like for better entertainment value, it would be good if my thoughts were actually comprehensible as an outside viewer. Yeah. But it is what it is. Can we know that we hit this edge? We're not really hitting the edge either. I think we just have to sample more. Like, we have no fucking clue what's going on in the world. Like, the way we collide with blocks is that we just ask about the voxels that exist, right? We just have to do that. Like, how would we otherwise know that there is voxels there? So we have to ask. You know, do you have voxels? For sneaking, it's kind of the same thing. I don't have a magic bullet that I can just implement. I have to ask the environment, like, oh, is there ground there? Right? Like, can I move there? And that's kind of what I'm doing already, but I just need to do more of it. And that kind of sucks. It sucks. Do I really move the fucking player character one voxel at a time? Do we start doing that? Oh damn. I think it would make for the most robust movement. But also I really don't like that. Is there any cheaty method to know which direction this happened in? No, we just sample. I think we just sample. Or like we test the movement on the other directions. And yeah. We're not gonna go exactly on the edge. We don't care about that. I guess that requires more work. We don't care. We just want to slide. We just want to slide on the edges. This is really satisfying to jump around in this. For a while it felt weird because I had to kind of redo the movement logic because of changing the stair stepping, and then the jump boosts started feeling weird. I had to rethink that. Yada yada yada. I really love these fucking triggers. Holy fuck. Anyway, let's actually make this thing. Oh. Yeah, the only problem. The only problem is the stair stepping right now. Do we just disable stair stepping when sneaking? No. No, we can't do that. That's not a solution. That's cowardice. Anyway. This almost needs to go into a function. If I have stair stepping in a function, then I can like do this over and over. Yeah. I think I kind of want to do that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think this goes into a function. What do we return from here? What do we return? What do we do? How does it function? Haha, how does it function? It's right now. This is like side effectville. Or we just replace the player body if we need to. Is there a smarter way? Like before stair stepping, we could like curate the environment a bit. It's like we see, okay, do we have ground below us now? And then we can test, like, okay, do we have ground built, like, let's say we do only the X movement this direction. Do we have ground there? Or do we have ground on the Z direction? Do we have ground below on those combined? then the stair stepping kind of fucks everything up. And we don't really want to query for information. Like if we have ground after the movement, we don't fucking care, right? We don't need to do any additional checks. Like it's all fucking good at that point. Oh damn, I can't even walk down these stairs because I'm going too fast. Because it registers that they're not being ground. Because it's too far below. That's funny. Unlucky. Hmm. My brain is barely braining. Alright, let's just fucking do this. And let's just assume if we do a stair step with the combined movement, that we're going to do a stair step with one individual axis. And also vice versa, I think. If we do a movement, if we do a stair step with... If we don't do a stair step with the combined one, then we're not going to do a stair step with the singular one. That's not necessarily true, but it is what it is. That might lead to some bugs, but honestly, it's kind of bad though. It is kind of bad though. Or then we move the sneaking movement into a function. Or we just fucking do it manually for the stair step movement and the normal movement. That's also an option, actually. That might be it. Hold on. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Wait, this is actually way simpler. Holy shit. I'm so glad I thought about this for so long, even though it seemed futile. So basically, what I can do is I can do the... first, let's not care about stair stepping, you know? I just do the normal movement, and like this is gonna act as a wall, right? Because we're not gonna have stair stepping. We do the sneaking movement, and you know, we just do whatever, yada yada. We get our movement where we would go, and then we do the stair stepping. But can stair stepping ever put us above ground or above air? It might actually. I was thinking that stair stepping might not be able to put us above air, but it can in an edge case. Well, that's like a better bug. The other bug that I was thinking about was like, oh, we might be able to go inside of voxels, but sneaking failing is acceptable. Yes, we're gonna do that. Or then we just do this. Let's just do the fucking first very dumb thing. It's whatever. Opposed movement distance from ground. Say XZ movement distance from ground. Oh, I didn't need to modify that. I need to modify this thing. I'm gonna do a few more. Let's do inline function thing, whatever. What do we want to pass here? I guess pass an A player. Hello, ruipana. Oh, the R didn't come through. Anyway. I just saw your Discord messages. Uh... unlucky, unlucky. You hopped on a good time. I was brain dead for a very, very good while thinking about how to implement sneaking. Hold on, actually. I can show you the game. Wow, look at this. It's a thing. We can jump around and it's like a parkour thingy, right? Yippee. Let me finish this map. Oh, I didn't finish. Anyway, I'm gonna try again. Each jump gives a speed boost. And also holding space on stairs gives a speed boost. But yeah, it's cool. And oh, I'm gonna give you a quiz. Well, I mean, I can't quiz you because the title says it. I was able to ask like, what game engine do you think this is made in? But the answer is no game engine because I'm an idiot. uh, ay, ay, ay. Oh, and also, I can do this. I have orthographic projection. That's great. That's great. And we have debug stuff as well. It's the whole thing. It has taken a good while to get to this point, but I'm really happy with where things are going. And also, hold on. We have triggers also, so if I didn't have these triggers here, let me actually remove them. The only way you could interact with the start line is if you like actually touch these blocks, right? So if I jump above, it doesn't register me touching the start line. So actually, this I already forgot. No, okay, this was yesterday. Yesterday I implemented triggers, which are basically just blocks that you can touch, but you don't collide with. So the start line extends above the like area that you can see when triggers are invisible. Yes, triggers are great. At one point I was like, no, I'm gonna have triggers, but you know, they're useful. They're useful. Damn. Now that I'm thinking about the special blocks and whatever, I really want to like make a trampoline or jump pad kind of deal. I really fucking want to do that. Oh, the stairs. Oh, I love that you asked that. How do you think that I'm doing the stairs? Do you have any guesses? You know, because going up them like looks pretty smooth, right? Like I kind of just. Yeah. This is hold on, let me. I have a map called Stairs, just for like testing them, basically. And this is this didn't this wasn't so big before, but I tested some stuff and I needed longer stairs. Let me. It feels like I'm flexing by just using the tools that I've built, but you know, it is what it is. So I can select an area for like editing, then can I say empty here? No, I can't say. Okay, but I can say there. which is cool. Yeah, it's a bit more visually coherent when the stairs aren't like connected to infinity, I feel like. Also, I just realized I need to do a thing where I can select an area and then change the material for everything in that area. I really fucking want to do that now. Holy fuck. Like, just the ability to say, like, and then just give the material. Holy fuck. Fair, fair, fair. Do you want to hop on, like, voice and co-stream, or do you just want to chat? What's up with that? Oh, bars? Uh, I have to leave at 10. So I got, a good 3 hours before I have to leave. And yeah, I don't know. I like if you don't hop on, then I might stream for like an hour or two or something. You know, if you hop on, it's probably gonna be longer. But I mean, I can't really stream for longer than 2 hours. uh, yeah, but yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, no, but damn, I was doing the sneaking thing, but I'm thinking I gotta like make the fill command better. Oh, I just realized what I have to do. All right, I'll get don't no don't rush. It's all good. Brush your teeth. Take care of the hygiene. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah. Anyway, okay, I gotta write down the to do for the. This material first. Oh yeah, keep is a better keyword than existing. Keep the. What am I gonna say here? Model. Here we go. That's good. Well, yeah. Also the stairs. Well, I mean, we can talk about the stairs when you come on Discord. To be honest, I feel like it'll be easier to have like interactive conversation when we're in voice. Now, let's see. I want to do the fill thing now. Fuck it, I'm gonna do the fill thing now, and then I'm gonna do the sneaking later. It's fine. We go to the command console. What are we doing here? Fill. Let's go. So it's a bit stinky now. Yeah, so we parse the block once at the start, but we really don't want to do that. Wouldn't we do that? But we have a special kind of thing for the block, I guess. Hmm. Hmm. How do I actually do this? So I was thinking that for block models, for example, I could have a variant that's just called keep, right? And basically it's a meta variant where we if it's called keep, then I mean for saving and loading we don't really want to do anything with that. Uh and technically if we placed on a block, the model of it should never be the like quote unquote keep model. But also could just make the hold on. I can make these options. I could do this. But really, the only place where I need this thing is in the console. For everything else, the blocks are always going to have those fields filled in. It's only here that we might not have them. So I don't want to make everything else suffer because I want to do a special thing here. That doesn't really make sense. What that might mean, we need a special block type here. Can we keep the function? We might need a special function here, or we don't return a block, we return like a special thingy thing that we read. Oh, let's just do it. Do you have any structs here? We don't. We don't have any enums either. Okay, well, let's just do it here. It's console block, maybe? Mermaid in a garage. Where does that come from? Also, yeah, I'm gonna have to fine you for that. You know, this is a clear violation of our parasocial agreement. No, I was just thinking, like, instead of having bonuses for like, coming on like consecutively and whatever, and like being first in chat, this is gonna be like a fine. Like, if you're late to the stream, we deduct points from you. That would be so fucking shitty. Like, it would be such a bad system. Fuck. Whatever. I'm just gonna call it console block. No. It would be the worst fucking system. Dude, am I tripping? No, I'm not tripping. Yeah, okay. So if I do braces like this and I press enter once, then it does 2 lines. But that's good. But I was just thinking, did it actually do that? Anyway, we have this, and it's basically going to be a block, but slightly different. Because we're going to have optional fields here. This actually makes a lot of sense. Yep. And now, yeah, okay, so for context, what I'm doing currently. So if I select an area that I want to modify, yes, currently, period. Let's say that I want to fill this area so that we keep the stairs. Oh yeah, we have a selection box thing. Yeah, that's like old news in my head, but it is a thing, right? And it's animated. Very cool. Very cool. Anyway, let's say I want to fill this area in, and I want to change the color of the stairs from blue to red. Right? I can't do that currently. Like, it is not really a thing I can do. But what I'm thinking is that I want to do a thing where I can say keep whatever the like model of the block is, but change the material to this, right? Dude, I don't even know what to say to you. Aye, aye. Wow. Anyway, let me do the thing. Yeah, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have a console thing where we can say keep as a keyword, then thing is gonna be none here. And we'll see. We'll see. Go to the parse block function, and we're not gonna return a block. We're gonna return a, what was it fucking called? I already forgot. Console block. I mean, this is like block argument or whatever. I don't know what to call it, but it's a block, but some of the fields can be none, right? How would I call that? I don't fucking know. Oh yeah, and also I have to. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'll have to change these things also, so it's how to say. Or I mean, technically, I don't need to do that. I could return a block and then like info about like, oh, which fields do we actually want to fill in or not. I think I want to do that instead. Not really filled options. It's like whatever. Let's just call it fill config. I mean, there's only really kind of three. Yeah, we were supposed to start streaming together 1 hour and 18 minutes ago. It's all good though. It's funny. I think I will just do this. 3 booleans. Um, this could be an enum, but we can just have a struct. It's fine. This is like more convenient to work with. And if we try to fill an area and all of these are true, then I guess we just do work for nothing. And that's fine. But this is also so fucking shit. No, is it shit? What do you think? Mm, okay, where do we use parse block? Does it make sense to give fill info to every one of these places? I mean, set block, yeah, you might want to keep a thing there. Fill, yeah, you might want to keep a thing there. Open block as world. It doesn't make sense here. Here we strictly want the block. And here it doesn't really make sense either. I might want to have another function. Because if we're trying to open a block as a world, we just want the block. We don't really care about fill information. The thing is, for this, we can also just, for parsing the block, we can say held. And then it's supposed to pick the block that you're holding currently, which makes sense. Hmm. I'm like overthinking. Uh, Also, I just glanced at Discord. Uh, so ruipana. Just so you know, I cannot fucking hear or see Discord while I'm streaming unless I tab into it. So if you want to get my attention, then get in the chat. I said ruipana, which is yeah. Oh, their name is supposed to be pronounced in Finnish. Smile. And yeah, I mean, are you ready to call? I mean, I'm just gonna DM you. Okay, yes. Also, are you live as well, or well, I mean, we can figure that out once we're on the call. I guess also. Hello. Hold on, let me also turn on your voice for the stream.
Yes.
Yes. I think everything should be fine. I will have to check. Actually, okay. I'm thinking. I can't check the audio because if I open Twitch, then the stream is gonna hear the stream.
Yeah.
So I'll just trust
I
that the audio is fine.
yeah. I I had I was streaming for the first time on Thursday and I didn't realize until like basically 3 hours in that I was recording my own audio twice. And then
Oof.
now I'm just watching the VOD. I'm like, I'm such a fucking idiot.
This is why every time I start the stream, I
Mhm.
like go on Twitch and watch it for a few seconds just to confirm that it's fine, you know?
It's horrible. I'm just over here. I'm trying to figure out how I can fucking
Hmm.
uh, get my thing working. Cause it's
Uh,
hard. But don't worry about it.
yeah. Did you
On my
figure
way.
out why the echo was happening?
Well, last time I just had a lot of audio sources. Like I had set up like 10 audio sources for no reason, so that's definitely why.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I'm just setting up my OBS right now cuz again, cuz it's I'm I'm not the fastest learner, so this is kind of kind of strange for me.
Yeah,
But you
okay.
can continue your thing while I do this.
I could probably just make an echo for desktop audio if I really wanted to. But I'm thinking also, I should have an audio source just that is just Discord. Uh, but I don't have the option to do that currently.
Also, guys, I'm really sorry for sounding the way I do. I just woke up.
You're
I'm
fine.
a little
You're fine.
groggy.
You are fine.
Okay, I'm gonna put
So,
Oh, we both wake up just now. Cleared for. Fuck yeah! I love just waking up. I actually woke up at 3 today, and I was gonna text you. I was like, I can't sleep, so just let me know when you want to go live. I'm already awake. And then I laid on the couch and I fell back asleep. So I'm glad I didn't text you that because I would have seemed like a fucking freak.
it I woke up like well, I mean my alarm is always at 3:44. I
Mm.
so a quarter till 4 basically. But fuck saying the time properly, like quarter till 4. I'm gonna say 3:44. Like you know exactly what I mean. It's anyway.
Yeah, I'm with you. Okay. Somebody
Um,
said that if I just put a display capture, then my audio will work, but it's not doing it. Okay.
I don't know how the display capture is supposed to help with your audio.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm just gonna test this. Oh, the fuck.
Uh, I could probably tech support you. Uh,
No. You just do your thing. I don't wanna override your stream. I've done enough today on your fucking
don't
2.5
worry.
stream.
Don't worry. Do not
So
worry.
I'm just gonna I'm gonna be a big girl and figure this out myself. Don't worry.
All right. It's all good.
Yeah.
All right. Mm.
No.
Mhm. Yeah, I think I am just gonna return a fill config anyway. Do. It's strange. Um, being in the Discord call and then also like commentating the stream while in the call. It's a very weird feeling to do that.
I feel like it's a very some sort of skill. I was with my friend like on Thursday. And
Mm-hmm.
it was so weird. We would be having a conversation, and then in the middle, she's like, just switches it up fully to talk to a chatter. It's definitely strange.
Mm-hmm. Humans were not meant to interact in this way.
No.
uh, yeah. Okay. We're gonna return a block and a fill config. I want to actually get this shit done, but it's like sometimes I start doing something and then I can have to think like 30 times on, but like, what is the actual like sensible approach before I can do anything? And it's like, I don't know, chief. It's strange. True. I mean, cleared. I have multiple goals, right? Multiple goals. They might be
Yes.
in conflict with each other, but I still have the goals, right?
This is actually extra efficient because humans need to socialize, so we're just multitasking. And I'm especially being efficient with my own game development right now because I'm just like looking at OBS. fucking flabbergasted.
Yeah. Actually, your game. I mean, I've seen a bit of it, a Depth Seeker, but
Yeah.
do you have anything that you would like to link on Discord that I can show the stream? Um,
Oh. Yeah.
yeah. If it's not on TikTok, then I can
Yeah.
actually like view it. Like I looked at the announcement channel and I'm like,
True.
damn, the videos on TikTok. I don't do TikTok.
Oh, you should. I love the TikTok's fucking awesome.
You hard
No.
disagree.
No, for real. Okay, I actually like had this thing too. I was like, "Oh, TikTok's fucking stupid. It's horrible." But it's cool. Like I once I got into it and once I like got like some like regulars on the TikTok, then
Oh, you mean posting on TikTok?
yeah.
Okay,
And
that's
once I
like
got
acceptable.
yeah, you don't approve of scrolling TikTok?
No, that's how you waste your life away.
Yeah, to be honest, I do have a bit of a scrolling problem since um I'm trying to figure out what I can show you.
Yeah,
Maybe I'm just gonna link you some of these gifs that we have in
yeah.
the
Yeah,
thread
you could
here.
also share your screen and I could show that on the stream.
Oh yeah, that's true. Hold on. I can do that.
Yeah. You're gonna leak
But
all
yeah,
the secrets live.
we're gonna leak all the secret live. Yeah, China has their own like they do have TikTok, but it's a little different. It's called Douyin, and it's like um. Sorry, I was talking to Cleared
Mm-hmm.
for. So yeah, and they have a very different style of content. But yeah, hold on. How do I? Oh yeah, I have to start a stream, and then
Yes.
you have to mute the stream because I'm gonna be streaming my Discord.
Yeah.
So be sure to do that.
You sounded like a tutorial character.
That's my purpose. Okay. What will I show here? I'm just not gonna show you this.
And the
We have this
stream
we're
hasn't
working on
loaded
this
yet. Hold on.
uh
I love it when the stream doesn't show and then I click like stop watching and then this like Discord asks me, how did the stream go? Like, thank you.
yeah, that's my favorite. Thank you, Discord. Mm.
It doesn't appear to want to start. Stream failed to start.
Uh
Hmm.
well, you know what? I'm just gonna work on getting my own stream up and then I
Oh
can
yeah, stream on the stream. Twitch.
yeah.
Smile.
Yeah, we can yeah, if I can figure if I get there.
Are we
If I
there
can get
yet?
there. No.
Oh.
This is fucking hard. Okay, I'm just gonna application audio capture unit. Okay, speak.
Oh, what? Do you want me
Speak.
to speak?
Okay,
Hello, hello.
good.
Testing, testing.
Thank you. Good job. Good job. Well done. Well spoken.
Okay, I have the
Okay,
testing, testing 1, 2, 3 ready.
I would like to formally apologize to the chat here. I'm sorry, Cleared for, and I'm sorry, Dula Hankai for. I'm like completely overtaking your coding stream by just fucking. Oh, dude, yeah. But anyways, um, nice to meet you guys.
Don't worry.
I'm also
Sometimes.
I.
Oh, good, good.
Hmm? No, no, no. I was just gonna say I'm also supposed to be streaming, but it's not happening right now. So that's what's happening here.
It's a cool stream, but only one of us is streaming.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's like sometimes if there's enough people in chat, the stream gets overtaken by itself by its chatters. So
Yeah.
it is what it is.
It is what it is.
And to be fair, cleared. If we did the co-stream thing, there's like a option to share the chat, and I think that
Oh,
yeah, that's really fucking
we should
based.
totally do that.
Yes,
That's fucking
yes,
awesome.
yeah. Because then like we also like as streamers we can just have one chat open, and then is that is it only for partners?
Absolutely.
That's cringe if it's true.
Oh.
Cringe if true.
Fuck you,
Uh,
Twitch.
well, I'm gonna check right now because
Okay,
I have.
I may have been able to do my stream correctly now, so I'm gonna start streaming. And if you guys don't
Mm-hmm.
mind, can one of you go look at my stream to see if it's completely fucked up? Because it might be.
Damn, you're stealing my viewer. Anyway.
Yes, I'm gonna actually. And then you guys have to
Damn.
stay and not come back to Neropatis or Neros. Should I call you Nero? I think that's so cool.
Yeah, I mean Nero
If your name's
works.
Nero, like the emperor, you know?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Do we get the vibes? Chat. Is that cool?
Mm.
What does chat call you?
I mean, it's they just write Nero, I guess. So it's not really they can't really mispronounce the name in text.
Mm, yes.
Uh,
Oh my god, I have 10 followers. Somebody followed me. Let's fucking go. Wait, was it you?
I already
Oh,
followed
you got the
earlier.
echo now? Do you got the echo now?
I mean, if they have both streams
Neo?
open, then
Oh. No, I was looking at my own stream on my thing, so it was probably actually playing from there. Okay, are we good now? Cleared. How are we feeling right now? I'm just gonna call you Niwo now. Because cleared call you a Niwo in the chat, and I like that.
then also apparently
Okay,
we
do
can do
Hankai
shared
calls
chat.
you Chuda?
They're just making shit up though.
No, that's your name now, Chuda.
I disapprove. Anyway, Shady Link, go.
Shady Link?
Yes. If
Oh,
you do that, then we should be able to have shared chat.
oh. I need to put my phone number?
What?
I just put it. Password? What's my... I don't know my Twitch password.
Damn.
What is it? Um... Okay. I hope I'm not streaming this right now.
I mean,
Oh, now had to go get a code from my Gmail. Oh,
I,
okay.
oh,
Cleared. Does it sound good now? Thank you for coming in to check. I truly appreciate that.
also, I'm gonna open your stream as well, but I'm gonna fucking mute it so I don't destroy my stream.
Yeah. I'm on your stream too. Come on.
Yeah. Uh,
It's
that's
hard to
amazing.
tell if it's right. Okay. Shit.
I mean, clear. You can just mute my stream for a bit.
What? Are you fucking serious?
What is happening?
First, I had to bring a code from my email, and now I have to go to my phone and get a from my
QFA
phone number. What?
or what?
Why doesn't
I don't
Twitch
know.
trust me?
Uh,
It's
I
fucked
don't
up.
know. Are you not logged in on your browser on Twitch?
I am. And I don't
Interesting.
know where my messages app is. What is this hammer editor? Yes, it's Trench Broom. Have you guys ever heard of Trench Broom?
French Boom is cool.
Yeah. So the reason I'm using Discord up a bit. Okay. Okay. Maybe we're good now. Um the reason I'm using Trench Broom is because a year ago when I started making this game with my friends, I had zero experience in anything like game development wise, so we were like Trench Broom seems pretty easy to make levels with, so that's why we're here. Okay,
Hey,
we
share
have a
chat
shared
is
chat
enabled.
now.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Twitch. Please get these fucking pop-ups out of my face.
Ooh, it's beautiful.
It just works. No,
Hi Nero chat.
I need to fucking go to my chat overlay and can I remove this thing? Oh, okay, it's just gonna go away on its own. Okay, there we go. Nice. It works. It works.
Hi Rum chat. I like that name. Now everybody call me Rum from now on. I like that.
Why do you like Run?
Yes.
I'm curious.
It's funny. It's funny.
Fair, fair, fair. Yeah. No, but you talking about French broom, um, this has made me think of how
Yeah.
I was thinking like, damn, how would I want to like make environments and levels and whatever? And
Mhm.
basically I was like, okay, I wanna like basically have it be like you have it in Minecraft where you can just like build and play at the same time. But
Yeah.
it's not like
Oh.
it doesn't really exist, right? So you have to do it yourself.
Mhm.
So here we are a few years later without an engine, just doing the thing.
Oh, so you made that yourself?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
It's like
that's cool.
like I have a library for talking with the graphics card, and that's basically it, right? Well, I mean, I also have a library so I can make sound, but those are like the two only things, like physics and everything, rendering, all that
Yeah.
shit. Like I do it
Mhm.
myself because yes,
Wait, that's so cool. The
thank you.
rum balls are yummy. I've never tried a rum ball. What is a rum ball? But yeah, that's super cool because yeah, um, I'm not very. How do you learn these things?
So I started out by using Godot and just kind of easing into it, like doing meshing for the
Yeah,
blocks and whatever, and you just kind of build the project, you learn while doing it. And then at one point I got frustrated with how the code was working. I was like, damn, I just need like more control over how this works. And then
yeah,
this frustration with the previous version basically just drove me uh far enough to where I actually
yeah,
got to render stuff. Because when you do stuff without an engine, the most frustrating thing is you have it like work for so long without seeing anything on the screen. And it's so fucking
yeah,
annoying and demotivating.
yeah.
But
Yeah, I would not be able to do that because
you would
holy
be.
fuck.
You would be. I believe. You just need to like just have the motivation to push through and be like, it's worth it. Right? And then it's possible.
Yeah.
But
Well, it's just my
mhm.
technical knowledge is like non-existent, and I'm a bit of a lazy bone, so I like to go lazy. But thank
Fair.
God I'm working on the game with my. Before you guys think that my game's not gonna turn out, it's okay. I have a friend who's also working on this game with me, and he's not a lazy bones. He's a smart cookie, unlike me.
But also YouTube content is great. Like most of the
Yeah,
fucking voxel tech is like um currently on my stream I'm showing this guy, Douglas. His YouTube channel is fucking great. It's a lot of good stuff about voxels. I like watch these videos before I even really got started with the current engine, but I'm like this is stealing
yeah.
from him.
No, I think I would definitely wanna like I'm working on my learning, so I can be a little bit more useful in the more technical side, but I should definitely work a little faster on that. And yes, yes, cleared. I am getting carried. I the game
Uh,
would still be just drawings on my little iPad if without my very dedicated friends, so I'm lucky.
hmm. I'm just curious, have you made a finished game before? Like whatever that.
No.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is
Interesting.
our first game. We're just vibing and I don't know. It's gone pretty
Hmm.
well. I don't know.
Yeah.
I
Hmm.
do feel like I'm breaking the law or something because everyone's always like, "No, your first game project needs to be very
Simple.
very simple."
And they're
Actually,
cowards.
cleared for. I need to specify. Don't worry, I'm not using I iPads. I it's just my general word for a drawing tablet for some reason.
Yeah.
Oh. I feel like I would be bad at that game, Dula. I don't know if I could. I don't know if I could figure that out.
Uh,
But yeah, I would totally fucking lose my motivation if I was supposed to be making a simple and easy like game right now. You know,
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah.
I would not be interested.
Yeah,
So maybe that means the game dev's not for me. But um, I'm having fun with our overly stupidly complex project for sure.
yeah, yeah. No, it's I have not made Pong, right? It's I have
Yeah,
tried, but it's so fucking demotivating. It's like, really?
right.
Like, do I
You know
really
that
want to do this?
we've been kind of making it's kind of fun when you make Pong into your game as a mini game because we like to make little
Mm-hmm.
mini games in the game. Like, oh yeah, you should totally help your brother make a game. What kind of racing game? Like a car racing game or a horse racing game? Is that a thing? I would play a horse racing game. Anyways, um, what was I talking about?
Making Pong in your game?
Mhm. It's been really fun because we keep making little like mini games that are like in the world. Like it's gonna be like a little lizard playing a mini game against you. It's really funny. Those are
Nice.
fun to make. That's the fun make way to make simple games. Is like add the simple games to your overly complex game.
Mm-hmm. I think there's some stuff. Like, what to say? Like, there are a few things that I've made in the past. Just like I just had a thing where I'm like, okay, I should actually like prove to myself that I can like release something. So
Hmm.
there's like Abyss Trail, which is basically just auto scroll, like the player characters moves forwards and then you have a button for jumping, and it's very very fucking simple.
Yeah.
The graphics are like fucking black and gray. And I commissioned someone for like the music. It's not. It was a jam. It actually plays pretty well, but
Hell yeah.
yeah. But I don't know.
I love
It's like
that.
I
No,
mean I
I feel
have
like
made
I
three
should
things.
do something like that. Like
Mm-hmm.
to get started, like I should make a simple game on Godot maybe to get like into the hang of things because it is kind of like a little overwhelming to try and like learn coding now that the project is like as far as it is. So
Mm-hmm.
I just look at it and I'm like, what the fuck is happening? And then
Yeah.
I ask my friend and he's like, I don't really know either.
Okay. Yeah. And the problem is that if someone, like, how to say, like the easy part is making code that the computer understands, right, and it works correctly. The hard part is making code that the computer understands and other people can understand, right?
Oh yeah,
Like, yeah. So I don't know how
sure.
experienced your friends are, but you might be trying to read like hieroglyphics basically, and it could be rough.
Yeah. No, that's what he's saying. He's like, so maybe you can start learning on the next project because my management has not been the best.
Ah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but we'll see. I'm gonna start with the little things, so I'll get there.
Yeah. Do you
But
have
yeah,
any ideas for your first project?
no, I really can't think of anything but Depth Seeker right now because it's been really fucking fun to work on Depth Seeker.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like actually obsessed. I haven't seen my. I made a TikTok that was like, oh, like I started working on my first game and I haven't seen my friends or family in the last half year, and it wasn't a lie. I'm so obsessed. I'm addicted.
Dude, that's awesome.
So I don't
I,
I don't even want to think about working on a different game, dude. It would feel like I'm cheating. I love Depth Seeker. My
you
best
have
friend, Depth Seeker.
maybe it could be like a like I'm thinking that it would be something connected to Death Seeker, kind of like a mini game,
Mm.
but it would be outside of the game. Maybe like it would provide some backstory, or it's just something extra, right?
Yeah. Right. I should do that. I don't know. Maybe I should do that.
Yeah, but I mean, you just have to find some way to fool your brain, your Depth Seeker brain, into thinking that this project that you're working
Right.
on is Depth Seeker, right? And then you can actually finish it.
Yeah, or maybe I could just ask for permission to do like a simple. Maybe I'll ask for permission to make Pong in our game.
Hmm, I would say it's like it's a different thing to make a complete package and release it.
Uh huh.
Uh,
Okay,
Rather
that's
than just
fair.
like making a thing inside of a thing. Because then
That's
you
fair.
also have to set up an itch page for it and like set it up there, and you might get feedback from players who try the game, and then you gotta like fiddle with that. Like there are things that you kind of miss
Yeah,
out on when you're just working on a big project.
feedback is good.
Yeah.
I've
Also,
We've
hmm?
had so much fucking brutal feedback and for our Depth Seeker actually. It's awesome.
Brutal feedback. Uh,
Yes.
so I'm showing your stream on my stream momentarily. What
Mhm.
what is the most interesting, best thing you can show me right now?
Well, I can't show you anything good right now because I'm just in the level editor, so it looks like
Hmm.
shit. But I almost want to pull up the build.
Yeah, and if you
The
want
problem
to,
is,
yeah.
yeah,
Oh,
okay, I could pull up the build. Let me do that.
yeah. I needed to distract you as well.
Yes. I mean, yeah, I've moved like a total of like four pixels on this stream so far, so it hasn't been the most productive morning yet. Let's see. I gotta like stop my screen share for a second because we're testing a lot of things right now, and the
Oh.
game's gonna launch with like about half a million errors, so I'm a little embarrassed.
Hmm. Well, I mean, hmm.
Oh my god, my coffee machine just turned off. I gotta go get my second cup. I'll be right back. I'm
All right,
sorry.
all right, all right. I'll get. I'm gonna move this here then. Um, Now I'm just thinking like I'm gonna repeat this when Rom comes back, but like they should have branches. They should be able to go to a stable point of the game. Uh,
Hi,
Hello.
I'm back. I gotta get my morning liter of coffee.
Damn, I don't drink any coffee. I just function.
What kind of Finnish person are you?
Fake.
Okay, hold on. Now I gotta figure out how to. No.
Do you? I
Um.
mean, you're using Git, right? Like obviously.
Yeah, but I don't want to pull it right now, so I'm just gonna use the broken build.
Yeah, I was thinking because the way that I mean, I work alone on this, but even then, like whenever I commit something on the main branch, I make sure that it
Mhm.
works, right? And it's not broken. And if I need to
Oh
do
yeah, well,
something, then I have a
it
like temporary
mostly
branch.
works.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't
Okay,
worry.
okay.
Our Git situation is decent, although we did have a bit of a Git problem.
Maybe you should get good.
Yeah, no, I completely agree. I should I should
Uh,
get good.
yes.
Cause yeah, like we had the weirdest like thing on Git where like everything was like corrupted for a while. Because like
Uh, why?
and then like I don't know. So Texans say Git for idiots. Are you a Texan?
I'm not.
Cause if no, Dula. Sorry.
Oh. Oh no, Dula is Finnish as
Uh
well. Yes.
how do you know that Git's how do you know about Texans? I don't believe you.
It's not like we have the internet. That's not a thing.
No. I, that's not it's not. Wait, I forgot to tell my Discord server that I'm fucking streaming. Okay, I'm gonna click play and hope it doesn't crash. And now I'm gonna open my stream again. So if it crashes, it's not my fault. Oh no, it might crash. Oh, we're good, we're good, we're good. Hold on. I gotta zoom out my OBS. But now you can see my game once I have done this. Okay. Okay, are we guys seeing this? Are we seeing this?
Yes, your stream is
I'm
on
gonna-
my stream.
Oh, fuck yeah. I'm gonna
Yes.
pause my music. Okay. Ah! I pressed quit. Okay, please disregard. Don't look at the errors. Don't look at the errors.
This is so funny though, because the stream is delayed and the audio is instant for me. So I heard you say, "Oh, I pressed quit," and then 2 seconds later, it happens like a predetermined event.
Yes, it was meant to be. Okay, so here we are. This is our testing hub right now. Look. This is delightful. They're little beetles, and they're the
Mhm.
bombs in my game. Look at them,
Nice.
and we just made them chain explode. So if you hit them, they all blow up. Oh my god, that was so fucking loud. Let's just okay. But yeah, did you guys see that? Do we love that?
Oh,
Do we all love
if they
that, right?
respawn
Well,
immediately.
yeah, this is just for testing. They don't usually do it. But it's just really fun to like make them all explode. So this is the bomb. Oh yeah, the bombs also make you jump. We like to add mobility options. So I can show you. So you guys, there's about to be like a lot of random shit when I enter over here because we're testing a lot of things right now. So just wait, you guys don't have game audio?
No, there's
Frick!
no game audio.
Hold on, I
Uh,
gotta add application audio capture beta
oh wait,
4.
I don't know if your
Exit the
stream has game audio. My stream doesn't have audio from your stream. That's what I meant.
well, I'm just gonna put it there and see what happens. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry guys. Okay, this is the door from our early first build ever, so it looks so ugly. But here we are. Oh. Okay. Okay, here's our first subject of testing. He's the dungeon keeper, or right now I call him on our TikTok I call him the menacing block of tofu, but now he's not tofu colored anymore. He's just rainbow. He's gonna be cooler in a second, but this is what he is right now. And he's kind of annoying because we haven't really worked on him a lot yet. So he just like has collision and pushes you around, and you can get stuck really easily. Okay, then we have a cruncher. We have beetles. We have my fucking frames are dropping like crazy right now. And then we have the sticky lizard, and he stuns enemies. Okay, but that's kind of the yeah. That's kind of what we got.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a lot of these creatures that you can use to um distract enemies. Like this one you can just like send off running, and the rock creatures get distracted by them, and then they get extra extracted by them if they have this let me see if I can find one.
Is this a roguelite
Oh
kind of deal?
yeah, it's like a roguelike kind of deal. We also
Mm-hmm.
have these, but I always forget about them. And this is the thing I'm working on in Trench Broom. You guys see this? It's a little
Yeah.
cooler in engine, right?
Yeah.
It's a little more beautiful. I'm just working on fixing it up to have a bit of a good vibes here.
I love the cobwebs.
Yeah, the Minecraft cobwebs.
Are they actually straight out of Minecraft or no? That's not the same.
Basically,
Yeah.
yes, it is definitely Minecraft spiderweb. We actually originally started working on this game because of fucking Decked Out. If you guys have heard of it, and then because we were like, that's a good first project, and then it exploded and became a fucking biological simulator, roguelite, everything with crazy lore. And yeah, we did ask Notch for permission for this. Don't worry. But yeah, it's super weird, and it's fun. And what was my point here?
No, I think you
I
just
don't
wanted to
know.
show the game.
Yeah, I'm
And that's
showing.
been accomplished, I think.
Yes.
Cool. Very
I
cool.
hope Minecraft doesn't freaking what is it? Copyright strike us for using their cobwebs.
I
I
mean,
forgot to put a collision step on these stairs,
oh, the
so you have to
stairs.
jump up them. I didn't know how to make stairs, so I just put a collision on most of them, but I forgot about these.
Mm-hmm. Wait, so when
Oh,
you say
Dark
you put a
Souls
collision on
elevator.
them, what do you mean? Do you put like a
Mm-hmm.
ramp on them? Or
Yeah,
mm-hmm. Yeah, that's fair.
I
Uh
just like set up the ramp manually.
mm-hmm. Yep, that's a very, very common thing for stairs. Yeah, I meant to ask, what's your role on this game? Like on the
I do
development?
the levels. I've been like I do the level design. Well, also fog experiments. It's usually like really blue, but now it's gray and it's kind of piss colored. Sorry about that. Um, yeah, I've been making like the level shapes and stuff, and I do 3D models. I do concept art. Um, my friend like wrote all the lore a while back, and I've been just working to make it make sense and working to bring it to life with the like visuals and stuff. So that's kind of what I've been doing,
Mm-hmm.
if that makes sense. Oh, and lately I've been doing a lot of social media too, if that counts as a part of the
Yeah, it
project.
definitely does. It does. It does.
Yeah.
Um,
No,
yeah.
that's not
Damn,
the
I
Statue
gotta.
of Liberty. That's the reaching religious statue. They love reaching to the crystals.
I had to kidnap you at some point for level stuff.
Yeah, I got you. I would love to. I really, actually have a I almost have a architecture degree, so it's been really fun
Oh.
to do different sort of stuff with the fictional architecture because I always really have loved like I love especially like the Souls games the way they do architecture because it's so like crazy and dreamlike.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and I really I really have had a really good time with the fake architecture.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, my main reason to get into game dev also was to make art and stuff. It's really fun. I actually like really always wanted to because I've always just been a 2D artist.
Mm-hmm.
Um and I always was just like, oh, I just want to do concept art. But yeah, I really got into the like more practical side of things lately. It's been really fun.
Nice. Yeah.
Awesome.
About the stairs actually. You asked me how
Hmm.
I do them. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah.
get into it later at the end. Let me actually stash everything, then have a working version of the game. Um, I'm thinking I might do the current technical task later because it actually requires focusing on it, which is
Fair enough.
unfortunate. But yeah. Uh, oh, I just realized I need to. Okay, hold on. Destroy. Oh, yeah, we're not gonna have the footstep sounds. Uh, so, so. Basically, everything in this game is voxels, right? And
Hmm.
I didn't need to do that. Block debug. I assume you can see my screen, or can you?
Hold on. I'm trying to open it. I just gotta get to a safe space in my. Okay, we're good.
All
Now I
good,
can
all
open
good.
your game.
Let me do that.
Hold on.
Yeah. So
I gotta open your Twitch stream. Hold on. Sorry.
yes.
Um.
Also, Hankai, I'm gonna show
Yeah.
the current map soon. I don't know when's the last time
Okay.
you've seen it. All right. So everything in the
I've
game
seen it.
is voxels, right? And
Yeah.
so basically, and also it's like to the extent where I can't have a different color for this cube on like the top and on the side because it's like one cube. It just exists, right?
Oh, yeah.
So it's like a restraint kind of thing. So these
Mhm.
stairs also, like they're just made out of these little cubes. So I
Yeah.
I don't have ramps, right? That's just not
Mhm.
real. Doesn't exist. But
Mhm.
also like going up the stairs is like pretty smooth, right? Like it doesn't look like I'm jittering up,
Yeah.
right?
Cleared for the grass is friendly. This is a friendly space. You can just come chill here. It's a safe room. these little bugs love to hang out here. You can play with them when you're in here. They pop against the walls and you can get loot if you're mean like that. But yeah, the bugs love it. Sorry, I got so
Yeah,
distracted.
I'll get. Yeah, no, but
Mhm.
so the first ingredient is just the like stair stepping movement logic where I
Yeah.
basically move the player normally first, like I just slide it on like one axis and then on another, and then it just does the like movement. But then I also do another passive movement where from the original position I move the player up like half a block, and then I do the same movement, and then I try to move the player down half a block. And then I see which
Oh.
movement went further, right? And
Oh.
if the normal movement goes further, or if they go the same amount, then I use the normal movement position. But if the stair stepping went further, then I use that, right? And you
Yeah.
can imagine, like, if I collide with a step like this, then the normal movement, like, collides with this and doesn't move forward. But the stair stepping
Mhm.
movement, like, it went up and then it moved here and then it, tried to move down. So it goes a bit further. So then we're like, oh
Yeah.
shit, that went further. Let's use that position. And then you just snap on the step.
Uh-huh.
But if you do only
Okay.
that, it looks terrible. And I'm gonna see if I can show you why.
This is making yes. Yes. So the thing is, like, I know so little about programming. I was gonna ask, like, what is this thing that you're using to write the code?
Oh,
Like,
this
how?
thing?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, this is like just a very, very basic text editor, basically.
Oh.
So I have I mean, it's called sed, and it's the default
It's
text
a
editor
fucking
it comes
text
with.
editor.
Yeah, yeah.
Cleared for. I don't need your aggression, okay? I'm learning. I'm be patient with me, okay?
And
It's
then
not very kind.
and on this side, actually, at quiz time, do you know what this is? Um, on the right side.
Yes. No.
Yes,
So
no.
code.
It's the console, right? And
Yes, I knew
basically,
that.
yeah. So, like, well, I'm writing Rust, so, well, I mean, you might
You're
have
writing
seen me
Rust.
type XD, in the console, and yes, I'm running Rust. It's a cool language.
I thought
Well,
it's a game.
well, I mean, it is a game as well, but it is also the name of a programming language, right?
I don't believe you.
Damn unlucky. But yeah, but basically, I can tell,
Okay.
um, I can tell like Rust's like tools to like tell me stuff about the code by just typing like cargo
Wait till
check.
I hear about Python also being a snake.
True.
I actually knew that Python's a snake. You're being silly.
Did you also know that it's a programming language?
Anyways, let's keep going about the stairs.
All right. Hold on. Let me.
I go and lose all my Twitch followers. They're like, they lost all faith in my game now. They're like, this fucking bitch is so stupid.
Hold on. I might be able to just do that little thing and then the smoothing is not active. Yes. So the movement might look a bit different now when I go up the stairs, right? I don't know if you can tell from the stream, but it should look different.
um, yeah, it's like twitchy.
Yeah, yeah. I can even load the like normal map that I use, and it's the same here.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's just like kind of terrible, and it's
Mm-hmm.
especially terrible because I have a 144 hertz screen, whatever. So it's like it's just
Yeah.
yeah, right. But that's like what happens because like during one game tick, I just go up the stairs, right? Like I snap on top.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So what I then need to do is like slowly move the camera up over multiple like game ticks, right?
Yeah.
And you probably have played Minecraft before, right?
I have dabbled in Minecraft. Yes,
Have you ever gone upstairs in Minecraft?
it's one of my favorite blocks in Minecraft. Yes.
Yeah, so in Minecraft, the stair movement is actually pretty smooth, right? Like you can just go up the stairs and it doesn't look terrible.
Cleared 4 said, I thought Neuro added sounds, but it's just a ROM making arcade simulator. Yes.
No, don't.
I'm making a dark fantasy creature themed arcade simulator over here. Just having a bit of fun with it.
But I actually do also have audio. I keep forgetting to like turn it off because it's like placeholder, very very strange.
Yeah.
Anyway, but yeah, but in
But yeah,
Minecraft,
that's my
oh,
mhm.
oh, you
I
can
was
go
just gonna say
first.
that's my friend's favorite arcade game. He really wanted to add it into the game. And I got
Mm,
distracted while we were listening because I have the attention span of a toddler,
that
so
is
I
all
was
good.
just playing it while we were explaining my things.
It's
Okay,
all good. Yeah,
let's keep going.
yeah. So in Minecraft, when you go up a stair, I mean, but you know that Minecraft runs at 20 ticks per second, right? Or
Yes,
is that
totally. I knew that. I know about ticks because I made a lot of farms. Okay.
like pardon?
Yeah, nothing. Just let's just keep going. I know ticks.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
all.
So
That's all.
yeah, yeah. So, but basically, like, if the movement only happens 20 times a second and there was no interpolation, then it would look like shit, right? Because the game would essentially look like 20 FPS because you would have the player and then 20 times in a second they would like move into the next position.
Okay. Yeah, I
Yeah,
get it.
yeah. So if you don't want to do that, you have to interpolate the position where it's like, okay, we're here at the start of the tick, and then at the end of the tick, we're at some other position. And then on the in
Yeah.
between frames, you're gonna like, have the player be in the in between positions, right? Makes sense.
Mm,
And so when you go up a stair in Minecraft, you don't snap up instantly. I mean, you do in terms of physics, but then you have
mhm.
1/20th of a second where the player, camera position goes up this, slab length, right?
Yeah.
So it kind of just ends up being fine. But it's
Oh.
only fine because Minecraft is 20 TPS, 20 ticks per
Yeah.
second. Uh, the game that I'm making is 50 ticks per second. So the camera has like half the time to move up. And that makes it
Mhm.
look like very, very jittery, like you saw earlier. Like there's still
Oh.
interpolation happening, but it's dog shit. Also, I hope
Yeah.
I can swear on your stream. Just checking now.
Oh,
Uh,
dude, it's fine. Dude, I don't know if I have to worry about being family friendly yet when I have like a total of 2 followers. So let's just do what we need to do. Oh my
fair,
god,
fair.
Dula Hunka says fucking chat. Let's ban him. He's being inappropriate.
But that's on my chat though. Unlucky.
That's true. Unlucky, bro. He's gonna get banned.
Ay,
I really wish we had some melon beetles in the fucking hub right now, because the melon beetles are my favorite.
I have no idea what melon beetles are, honestly.
Well, so if you look at these
But let
rollers,
me.
these ones are rolling this little bomb thing, right? And they're bombs. So
Oh
the
yeah.
heels in
Okay.
my
Okay.
game are little beetles that are rolling around a watermelon.
Okay. Okay.
and you shoot it at yourself and you get a heal. And then somebody on my TikTok commented like something about throwing a watermelon at yourself at 25 miles hour per speed, not probably healing you. And I was like, oh fuck, I didn't think about
Uh,
it. Yeah, that's all I got. I wish I had beetles, more beetles here. I love my beetles.
Beetle
What?
seeker.
Oh my fucking god, dude, I'm pissed off. Hold on, let me see.
Hmm?
Okay, never mind, never mind. We're good.
What were you pissed off about? I'm curious.
When do we get? Oh, I was because I was trying to jump up on his back. It's like a staple of what we do here at Depth Seeker. We
Hmm.
go walk on his back, and I wasn't able to jump up from here, so I got like real mad. I thought my friend added collision to hit like a box around him, but no, we're good. We're good.
Okay. Okay. Damn. Your world was shattering.
I love standing on his back. He's my friend. He's my best friend. I don't have many friends, but he's my best friend. Look at him. Look at him. He's so wonderful. Okay. I'm gonna be right back.
Yep.
Because I have to go get a cup of water.
All good.
And I have to go microwave my fucking coffee.
Damn, you didn't drink it?
No. It was
Damn.
bad. Or I forgot about it. We were yapping. I'll be right back.
Yep. Damn, not a professional streamer. They don't have a water bottle and another water bottle in case the first one runs out. Also, Duo. When I started the game, I technically did have one. Oh, no, actually, no, 1 tick per second. No, okay, I didn't read it correctly. I didn't have that. What I had is physics happened every rendered frame. That's also a valid approach. Aye. Also, I feel like I should patch out audio. Like, I will otherwise just have it on constantly. It's fine. Okay. Uh, actually, well, the fucking falling healing gives me an idea. Um, basically, I mean, I guess it's already possible with games with ramps, where if you fall, you can redirect the vertical speed for horizontal speed. I was thinking, what if you could do that on flat ground? You do like a roll and just convert the speed. I don't think I'm gonna do that for this game. I mean, there maybe could be like I've never heard of Ultra Kill, the up and coming game, small niche game. Damn, that's great though. Yeah, but I mean the same way that I might have like a trampoline kind of block thing, I might have a thing that's convert the vertical velocity to horizontal speed. And maybe something that's the other way around as well. Holy shit. Ooh. Horizontal speed to a vertical jump. We'll see, we'll see. There's so much fun stuff that I can do. It's unreal. But, I gotta do boring stuff first. Yeah. Actually, I need to drink water. Holy.
We are so back.
Nice. But, I have 2 water bottles with me, so I'm, like, prepared,
Oh.
Yeah, one,
Well.
one half a liter, and then one that's, hold on, let me check. 1.5
Well,
liters.
this makes a lot more sense because you are the famous streamer here. You got 100 followers. So I have to. I'll get my water bottle once I get 100 followers. I'm at 11 now. I get to do my shit. Yeah. Yeah, Nero's famous. He's got 100 followers.
No.
Bro's
I don't know how that
famous.
even happened, honestly. It's like I streamed like some fucking years ago, and people just followed. I mean, people just follow, but then they also just kind of cease to exist. So it's almost like I had like, no followers in a way, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Okay. We're so back to the level editor now. I'm gonna get some work done. I'm manifesting getting some work done. Oh my god, you have my stream in the corner?
Yes.
Hi, my stream. Oh, you're so professional like that.
I just thought
Look
it
at
was
you.
it would be a little cute to do that, you know. And
No, it's
I could just
definitely a nice touch.
yeah.
I gotta do that. It's a little advanced for me. Hold on.
I
Let me see if I can
mean,
figure it
at least I'm just gonna show this. So at least in Firefox, I can just like pop out the stream. Boom. That's it. That's the
out.
whole trick.
What?
Yeah, you can just pop out streams and like videos. It's great. Picture-in-picture view.
Cleared says, oh god, streamception is gonna loop. Okay, fine. I won't do it.
It
I
no,
won't do
it'll be
it.
funny.
You guys are gonna freaking make fun of me again. Dude, you have a toxic chat.
It's just Cleared is the only toxic one. I have to tell him sometimes to tone it
Well, no,
down.
it's cleared. Cleared is toxic, and then Dulahanka is swearing in the chat. He said the F word. The hell? You guys are fucked up.
Are you not fucked up?
No, I'm perfect. Mhm.
Damn. I didn't know that.
Yeah. Sorry. So you guys, yeah, I am. Okay. You can join the stream. I already joined the stream. Twitch. How do I pop out the stream? Okay, this is not going well. Hold on. I'm just gonna put it on OBS.
That's
The pot calling the kettle black. I'm not calling anyone black. Just so you know.
I love how you missed the point of the saying.
No. Windows UI, dude. I can't figure this shit out. I'm gonna do it next time. Next stream, I'm gonna
Yep.
be streaming your stream. How about that?
Fair.
That's the goal for next time.
That I just have to put like a little black rectangle on top of your stream where you have my stream, so we don't have a streamception.
Yeah, right.
Well,
We
that's
gotta
the
do it. I love that
streamception would be
everyone can
funny.
see my. Right? I think it would be really funny. I love that.
Yeah. This also means that my stream is the stream to go to because I have both streams, you know? I'm
Yeah, that is
competing with
true.
you.
You're doing better than me. It's okay. I think that's where most people are, anyways. We can see
No.
actually on the watchers. Hold on. You can see on the watchers. I got 2 watchers, guys. It's probably cleared. I cleared.
Well, I mean, there's
Okay.
one watcher right here, which is me.
Oh. Okay, so 2 watchers, it's you and me. Okay. My 2 watchers are me and you right now, so I think it's fine if I don't stream your stream right now. I don't think we're missing out on anything.
Damn.
Okay.
But what about the potential viewers who are gonna drop in at any moment?
That's true, any moment.
Yeah, true. True. Uh, yeah, true.
Yes. I think we might be getting rid of this room, so I probably shouldn't be decorating it right now, but I am. Because it's fun. It's my favorite thing to do.
Expand your stream for a bit. I was looking at you selecting all those things. I was just looking at you like selecting things in Trench Room. This looks interesting.
Oh yeah. I just made this a group. So I can just click on it and then I can copy paste it real easy. Because I made this like crumbled wall thing, which I thought was looking kind of cool.
Yeah,
It's
look
filled
cool.
in with just some rocks, and then we got the bricks on the outside. Rum is working, yes, it's fucking... It's a fucking, and then you can like triple click it, and then you'll get to the editor window where you can select them individually again. I love Trench Broom. It's so cool, isn't it?
Nice.
And I'm just doing this. I just made this crumpled wall because in Elden Ring I was playing Elden Ring again. I I don't play new games. I just play the games that I own. So I was playing Elden Ring once again, and they have one of the freaking. It doesn't matter. They just had a hole in the wall, and I thought it looked cool, so I put it over. You guys, Elden Ring actually invented holes in the walls. I really fucking love Elden Ring. I'm not gonna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna fucking play new games. I just wanna play Elden Ring. Is that a bad take?
I mean, it's fine to have things to. It's fine to have things that you like. I think.
Yeah, it's one of those Among Us games actually. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna, dude. I literally need to stop decorating this room. I think we're gonna delete it. Like we're not gonna have it in the game. So why the fuck am I working on it? I'm such an idiot.
It's fun.
Okay, it is. I have to like add another like. There's gonna be like a shortcut out of here to the end. Spoilers. So I gotta add that, but I gotta figure out the rest of the level before. So I'm just gonna work on
Spoilers.
this archway. Spoilers. Yeah.
I love the way you said it initially as well. It's like a whole fucking meme for me. I don't know if I've done it on stream, but it's like a half my personality is like saying spoilers. I love it.
Oh yeah, I should do that. Hole in the wall? Oh yeah, we're actually like planning on a bunch of those little things where you can just look into spots. Like we were it was like I don't know. Never mind. This is not gonna make any sense. But yeah. I think that's a great idea. I'm gonna make this hole smaller and then you can just look. And it's gonna be the cave prospector's room or something. I don't know. That's fun. I like that. Oh. Maybe it'll just be a hole. Because we have this like thing called integrity in the game, which will like shut and open different doors where you can get to. So maybe I'll just have the hole where you can. But then on your very special runs, the door down there will be kind of open and you can finally go in. That would be fun. And it's gonna be the Mine Prospector's room, and then you're gonna be able to find the Mine Prospector's relic, which is a fucking vinyl player or something. I don't know. He likes jazz. Dude, is something happening? I can't hear anything.
Oh, I'm just thinking.
Nero.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Oh, he's just thinking. Sorry.
Yes, you were
I
having a good
apologize.
time,
I
you know.
apologize.
So I'm like, yeah.
Barry B. Benson. Yeah, that's gonna be his name. Where have I heard that name before?
What name?
That's where I've heard that name before. That's
Oh.
so real.
Uh,
I was obsessed with the Bee movie when I was a kid.
Not anymore. Damn.
No, not really. Dude, I was such an annoying kid because I was just obsessed with the Bee movie and Shrek. It was the only shit I would watch.
That's amazing.
You ask me what's wrong with me? I don't know. Something's wrong with me. Total dookie of a film called Cats vs. Dogs. Why haven't I heard about that? Sounds like something I would have been obsessed with. What makes it a dookie of a movie? What's a dookie of a movie? Poop movie? No. It's just garbage. I want to see it now. I want to know what kind of garbage you were into as a kid. And then I can finally make fun of you back because you've been just swearing in my chat. Or actually, it's Nero's chat.
In
so-
our chat.
In our chat, yes.
Uh, Yeah, but
Your autistic kid brain loved cats versus dogs. I love that so much. I was just a horse girl also as a kid. I loved Shrek and I loved horses. That was my thing. I'm pretty sure that's like the most standard girl autism thing to fucking be obsessed with horses. It's fucking crazy.
was it horses? Just horses or also ponies?
Well, like ponies too, but mostly horses for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Like I was real into fucking horses. Not fucking horses, but horses. Sorry.
No, I don't think
Ew,
anyone
why did I
had
say
that.
that? Oh my god. Ew. I'm so sorry. Ew. Oh my god. I was actually kind of sad that I don't have a picture of my childhood room, because there was like a TikTok trend that was like, "Oh, we had no idea you were autistic as a child." Then it's a picture of their childhood room, and mine was like covered in horse. Like I had like 200 horse posters. It would have been so funny. Ban Ram, fuck no, no, don't ban me, please, please don't ban me. I'm gonna start crying. My streaming career, it's not gonna get off if I don't just get carried by Nero's existing chat, okay?
Ay. You're gonna be fine. Don't worry. Banned you.
Yeah.
Ay.
Donald Duck, oh my god, I was also obsessed with Donald Duck. It's fucking awesome. But it was like a summer cottage thing for me, like the Donald Duck, because my parents would buy me a new Donald Duck every time we went to the summer cottage. That was fucking awesome. Fucking love Donald Duck. It's really funny because the friend I'm working with on this game is American, and Donald Duck is like not a thing in America.
Yeah.
And he's like, "What do you mean Donald Duck comics? Those what the fuck?" And I was like, "You don't get it. It's fucking awesome." Who's messaging me on Discord? Oh, Saku is messaging. Hi, Saku. She's got tea for me.
Oh.
I'm streaming right now. I can't hear your tea. Should I just link this stream to my Should I link the stream to the Discord? Or is that gonna be embarrassing?
I mean, it's like my main way of having people find the stream, I think.
I'm just gonna Guys, I'm streaming. It's just like game content. Zaku wants a link. Oh my god, Zaku's coming. Guys, Zaku's coming. I love Zaku. She's my bestie, guys. Zaku's the best. Zaku's the best. Zaku, tell me when you're here. I need you here. My queen. My queen. Sorry. I'll stop talking about Zaku. She's my bestie. She's my little alien bestie.
Alien bestie?
Yeah. She's my little alien girl. She's a little green alien. I love her. Well, this is gonna be embarrassing if she already joined and she's just hearing about me talking about her in a baby voice. Sorry, Zach, if you heard that, I'm sorry. It was really weird. I'm just, you have to understand. I don't have many friends, so I get excited when I have a friend. It's a little weird. I'm sorry, Zach. It's just something you're gonna have to deal with.
You're also in a new unfamiliar situation. co-streaming?
Yes. Friends, I never heard that word. Oh.
Uh,
I'm so sorry, Zaku.
Also for
But
context,
at least you missed the part when I was talking about horses.
like me and Rum like basically don't know each other. Like we started talking yesterday, I guess.
Yeah,
Something like that. Yeah,
yeah.
it's
It's
crazy.
freaking crazy. It's freaking insane.
Guys, it's
Zaku, are you here yet?
insane.
Guys, it's freaking insane. How did this come to pass? I like us streaming together. We're in this like little Zaku! She's here! Hi Zaku. Zaku, did I ever tell you that I love you, girl? You're my favorite. You're my favorite alien.
Also, Dual Hankai, we're just in the same Discord server. That's like kind of a close circle, but people are being invited. It's called the Game Dev
Yeah.
Cafe.
Game Dev Cafe.
Yes.
It's epic. And like I just asked because I had my first stream on Thursday with another game dev friend of mine. She's called Kitsune Soldor. She streams a lot also. You guys could follow her Twitch as well. But we streamed and it was really fun. We had a lot of fun together talking for the first time, and I was like, I guess I could ask for more game devs to do this actually. Fun to, yeah, you get it.
Yeah.
Sorry, my brain of thought. My brain.
Brett, dude,
There,
I will change my Discord
I got,
status right now. Oh, that's so fucking good. Brain of
dude.
thought.
I just got nervous because Zaku's Shaguj. I just got nervous because Zaku joined. But yeah, I just messaged the Game Dev Cafe. I was like, would anyone wanna stream with me? Because it's fun. Oh my god, yeah, Zaku, you like my automaton PNG tuber? It's so cool, right? I made it just by myself. I think I need to give it some borders though. I'm glad you like my PNG tuber. I worked really hard on it. I thought the automaton would reflect the true annoying nature of myself. Fuck yeah, I'm glad you like my automaton, Zaku. I was thinking you would like it. I was excited for you to see it. Because I'm a fucking loser like that.
Damn. The self-deprecation is insane.
I know. It's my only like sense of humor. So I don't know how to. I'm not a very funny person, so I stick with the self-deprecation.
Unlucky.
I'm kind of sad that I can't hear the T right now, Zaku. I'm streaming. But I'm excited for the T.
More people popping into your side. Nice.
Ooh. Hello, CB Maish. Welcome. Yeah, Rise and Grind. I actually was supposed to hop on this stream at 6 a.m., but then I overslept until 7, so I had to do the like very shameful thing of joining late. It was kind of it's kind of bad because this was gonna be my first impression. This was gonna be my first impression to this Nero guy. I was supposed to, but then I just fucking completely missed our first stream together.
No, you didn't miss it. We're here.
Okay, I guess yeah, we're here now. That's true.
Yeah.
We got it. I got it.
Oh,
Not
yeah,
bad.
it's so good. And it's actually
I showed up.
yeah, and it's actually good because
Yeah.
I got to like do like my usual stream start, like kind of give an update on where the project is and that kind of stuff.
Oh yeah.
So
That's good.
yeah, I think even if we
I
do,
did it once I
oh,
yeah.
good.
I was gonna say that's probably good because once I joined, it completely derailed everything and nobody's got any work done since. We've just been yapping.
We'll get better at
Zaku
that,
wants to see the bugs. Okay, should I just open the game again? Fuck it. Guys, I'm opening the game again. I'm not getting any work done, so I'm gonna shout Zaku bugs. Zaku hasn't been doing a lot of my yeah, hold on. I gotta
Also,
pause
CBMH,
my
we're working on
record now.
different projects, entirely different.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're just vibing. We met for the first time yesterday and we were like, okay, we're just gonna co-stream.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I just started thinking about how at one point you thought that I'm like 16 years old or something, and you were worried. That was awesome.
Oh my god. It was horrible.
Uh,
It was so bad. I was so scared. Yeah, this is the story. Like, okay, guys, you're not allowed to look at my build right now because there's like 100 errors. So don't look at it. Don't look at it. And don't look at the code. Yeah, we're all consensual adults, but I got really scared that Nero is like 16 because he mentioned like a thing that only happens when you're like 16 or something. Like it's like a thing. And then that doesn't make any fucking sense. But I got really worried, and my brain was just like working in overdrive. Like, how do I tell this 16-year-old kid that I don't want to stream anymore because he's 16 and I don't want to stream with a 16-year-old dude? Like, what the fuck would I even talk about?
uh,
But he's not 16, so we're good. And yes, I could don't apologize for not being completely up to date with my project. I can forgive you for that. I've been busy too. I barely text you lately. And guys, sorry for the lag. It's happening because I have a shitty computer and I'm running like 17 million tabs of Chrome right now. And then I'm running the game.
Holy. I just had a moment of
Oh,
realization of like,
hey Dula.
we're on Discord.
Sorry.
I don't know if that makes sense, but I
Yeah.
just thought about the fact that we're on the Discord call. I just kind of forgot about that, even though we're
Yeah.
talking constantly.
Fuck yeah.
Uh,
Dula, if you want to join the Game Dev Cafe, you can like add me on Discord or something. It's just my username, some friend request. I can ask the owner of the server to invite you. It's chill. You should come. Okay. Zaku, here's the bugs that you've seen already. But nowadays they chain explode. Hold on. Let me show you. Oh, you couldn't see it there. Let me show you. Did you see that? That's what they do now. I could also show you the actual bugs in the game, like the oh my god. Zaku, here's your future favorite man. He's not a man yet, but you're gonna love him when he's done. Oh my god, he pushed me into a corner immediately. This is fucking awkward.
That's awesome.
So this is fucking awkward. We're just
Uh,
soft lock now. Okay.
you don't have no clip in the game?
I don't know what that means.
Oh, basically, hold on, let me stash everything. I can show you. So, like in my game here, I can press a button and then basically just turn off all collision, and I can just fly through
Yeah, but
everything.
that is fucking inappropriate and disgusting.
I see.
Disgusting, Zaku. What the fuck is wrong with you? In my chat?
In our chat?
In our chat? Come on, no. No, come on. She's just a girl. It's okay. It's okay. She's a little freaky, okay? It's okay. It's fine. Just girly things. Oh my god. Wait, why is he not doing anything? I think he's stuck. Okay, I gotta report that to the police officer. Zako, have you seen this? Nowadays you can shoot these. What do you think about that, Zaku? What do you think about shooting the bugs? Oh no! And the lizard, look at the lizard. He stuns them. Okay.
I wonder.
I just yeah.
I wonder if I'm actually gonna get any feature done. So.
Yeah, I don't know. This is not going great, guys. This is not going very productive. If I'm gonna do this co-streaming thing, I'm gonna have to get better at focusing. I just like to. This is just a yeah. We should just switch to just chatting, bro. Because we're just chatting over here. Dude, guys, I gotta be right back again.
Damn.
I'm sorry, guys. Wait, Zaku has a joke. Okay, I'm waiting for the joke. I'm waiting for the joke. Tell me fast, because I really. No, it's not. I just. Sorry for this is gonna be gross, but I have to pee so fucking bad. A bear walks into a bar and says to the bartender, "I'll have one whiskey and one Coke." The bartender asks, "Why the big paws?" And the bear replies, "I don't know. I was born with them." What?
Why the big paws?
Aww, because the bear has big paws. I get it. I love it. He's got big paws. He's a good boy with the big paws. Okay, that was a good one. Okay, I'll be right back. Sorry.
She just needed a little help with the joke. I love that. Oh, Rum got killed. Uh, Dula, I read the joke, but I don't know what to say about it.
Is there a new joke?
Yes.
New joke just dropped? Okay, let me read it. A bear robs a store and tells the clerk to stick his hands up. He does as asked. Then the bear, visibly flustered, says, "How did you get so big?" What? I don't get it. Hold on. Let me think this out. A bear robs a store and tells the clerk to stick his hands up. He does as asked. Then the bear, visibly flustered, says, "How did you get so big?" What?
You want me to explain it?
What? Hold on, let me think. Is it because like in animal world they do the intimidation?
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. I get it. I get it. You see? I got it. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we got another one. Saku, a horse walks into the bar and asks the bartender for a whiskey sour. The bartender replies, "Holy shit, a talking horse." I get it! Because usually it's supposed to be why the long face. I get it. I get that one. That one's like a subversion.
I feel like people telling jokes is about like a quiz show to you. It's amazing.
No, it is. I'm a fucking idiot, guys. It's. Okay, Dilla has his favorite bad joke. I'm excited. Yeah, Zaku, I got that one. Because I like, you guys, we were talking about how much I love horses earlier, so I get them. Because I love horses. I'd love to make a horse game. Because all the horse games fucking suck.
Ooh. Depth Seeker X horses. Somehow.
Yeah, I know. I watch all the horse TikToks. I don't send you all the horse TikToks I find, because that's like my entire For You page is horse TikToks. Fucking love horses, guys. It's so fucking awesome. I need Depth Seeker to go like super viral and make me like $3 billion so I can buy a horse. Okay, we got Dillis.
One horse is gonna be the $3 billion somehow.
Yes, I'm gonna buy fucking Secretariat, bro. Okay, Dallas sent his joke. A chemist walks into a bar and tells the barkeep, I'll have a cup of H2O, and then takes a swig of his drink and leaves. Then another chemist enters and says, I have a cup of H2O too. He proceeds to take a drink and die. And I know, this one I know this one. Because he said H2O2 and the bartender said that he wants H2O, 2 oxygens instead of 1. And that's poisonous or something. I get it. Guys, I get it. Are you guys proud of me? I know chemistry.
I'm proud of you.
Okay, Zaku's got one. Yeah, this is just that you guys are competing. Who has the best joke wins. Invite to my Discord server or something, I don't know. Actually, you know what? Everyone gets an invite. I'm gonna invite everyone right now. Is that allowed?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna... Everybody joins my Discord server. Popcorn.
Hold on, let me also do this. Hope I typed that correctly. It should be. I'm gonna double check
Oh,
this
I
on
didn't know
Paranoid.
your Discord.
Yeah,
I'm
I
gonna
have it.
click on your Discord link. I joined.
Hold on, I need to give you a role so you can actually see the channels.
Oh.
Yes, but it's this welcome channel where there's just memes, and they're actually like good memes, in my opinion.
I like the I like that meme a lot because he likes snails. There's gotta be a snail in my game.
Yeah, but now you're in the server and you can no longer see the memes.
Yippee! Okay. Hold on, I gotta open my chat. Okay. Zaku has a new joke. Zaku has a new joke. Okay. I sent a text to my boyfriend that says, come on over, there's nobody home. So he comes over and texts, where are you? I tell him nobody's home. I like that one. I like that. I like the twist on the my parents are not home joke. That's awesome. That was a good one, Zaku. That was a very good one. I am really proud of you. Oh my god, and welcome. Dolahan has joined. I'm gonna send you a message. Welcome, Dola. Fuck yeah. Nero's Discord is very populous. My game's TikTok's Discord server. I said TikTok server. My game's Discord server is like 98% just like my art moods from my TikTok, and nobody there actually cares about my game at all. So it's just like a art Discord server, or kind of. So
Oh,
it's probably
wait,
not. Okay, Zaku cares. Fuck
which
yeah.
Discord did you link? Is it the Depth Seeker one or is it the different Discord?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
it
the
is the
one
Depth
that.
Seeker one. Okay.
Yeah, we're good. I was kind of scared for a second that I linked our like private dev server. That would be kind of embarrassing.
Also, there's more people
Yeah,
that are
Zaku is
the role too.
Zaku's my game's first #1 fan. It's so true. She's the best, and that's why we love Zaku. She's the coolest. Hey Nero, did you eat breakfast,
Nope.
or are we just working?
We're
on
just
that?
working.
Okay, it's awesome.
We're just working.
Fuck
And
yeah.
I was actually just thinking that I'm actually kind of hungry. Well, we'll see.
That's
We'll see.
actually why I asked you.
Oh. Oh wait, you just woke up and you're like, oh shit, I gotta do the stream, and then you panicked and didn't eat anything?
Yeah, and it's kind of bad because I'm a breakfast girl, but it's fine because I made a liter of coffee for myself, so it functions as a type of breakfast meal.
Well, I need to find a thing. Hold on. Yes, I love. Okay, so I have a program that I use to tag memes, so I can just find them fast. Um, I'm gonna
What?
send. I'm gonna send this to you on
Oh my god,
Discord.
that's me!
Oh,
That's
yours.
me! Oh my god! I'm literally her! I'm so moved.
Hold on.
I'm never tired of holding my horses. I would
No. Hold on. I have a
kiss them on their
fucking.
little horse nose. I love horses. Guys, I really love horses. They're so cute. I love them. My baby horses.
This is a good image as well.
Oh, but that's not true. Can we add like a I'm not on the top?
We got. Sure. This is like,
I'm not.
I'm doing that right now. Hold on. I think I could just do. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the full. And make it really fucking. I want to make the text red. I don't know why, but I just want to. It actually doesn't fit though. It's kind of not black. I guess I could do the same font. Fuck it. Do I have Papyrus here? No, I don't.
I'm showing everyone. Saku, guys, pause. This is Saku's Minecraft. Pause. Everybody look at Saku's Minecraft build.
It's the house.
Look at it. Look at it. That's her house. That's her Minecraft house. Okay, we're seeing pale wood. I don't remember what it's called. Okay. So you went to the creaking. Okay. And I see that you're using Stay True. Stay True texture pack. I can see that. Stay True fans. Any Stay True fans out here besides Zaku? I love Stay True. This is actually not Zaku's house because Zaku. Wait! Dilla. Remember when I thought you're a Texan? Zaku is a real Texan. So we can confirm your theory now. You said that Texans like to call idiots gits. Is that true, Zaku? Or did fucking Dilla lie? Dilla lied to me. That's fucked up, guys. What the hell? Yes,
Also,
Zaku calls me moron all the time.
teacher Eduardo M. I see your message. Welcome in. This is hectic though. First co-stream. It do be like that.
Oh yeah. Sorry, teacher Edu Rome. We completely fucking like missed you. I'm sorry. It's crazy out here. We're getting jokes, and I'm just literally showing my friends a Minecraft stream right now, and I'm supposed to be working on my game. But look at how beautiful it is.
We're both so productive. I'm so proud.
Yeah, this has been a great game dev stream.
Oh no, he's showing Discord.
Yeah, I'm doxing myself right now.
That's amazing. Or this edit is fine.
Wait, there's a new person, Gecker. This time we want. I'm really upset that we missed teacher Eduardo's fucking message completely when they joined, and now they're gone.
People, hop in and hop out. Yeah, but Gekker,
Okay,
I know that name. He's from Albino's Discord server.
welcome,
Albino's
Gecker.
another streamer.
Fuck yeah.
But they're actually like a big time streamer who gets their living from it.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's awesome. Good job, Gecker. Wait, no, Albino or whatever his name is. Okay, what was I doing? I I feel like I had a point here, but I don't know it anymore. I'm just doing shit.
Yeah, it's great. You're getting more done than I am, I feel like. But it's also
Well,
I'm
mine's
no
a little. It's a little unfair because I'm literally just like placing blocks. It was a very like challenging thing, and you're trying to code while
Yeah.
I'm literally just yapping your ear off. So it's like it's
Yeah,
not really
I,
fair
I was about
regarding
to say
here.
that I'm not blaming myself because yeah, like if I was building like maps, oh shit, dude, I should actually do it. So if I'm streaming alone, then I'm coding, and if I'm not streaming alone, then I'm actually like building maps and whatever, because that's so much fucking easier to do while talking.
You should totally because like the building maps is like kind of boring anyway, right? So it's like it would be great if you just fucking
Yeah, but that's for next time. Like I'm already committed to this. I will maybe get this feature done, and then I'm gonna start thinking about topping off. Not yet though.
oh
But
yeah.
it's like if I started now, then it would be like a max hour of building, which I mean is some amount, but you know.
Yeah. What was it? 6 degrees of separation from big streamers. I don't know what that means.
Also, basically, like if you don't know someone, but someone you know knows someone, then that's 1 degree of separation, right?
Oh. Well, actually, I can tell you guys. Wait, I probably shouldn't tell you this, but I actually do just have 1 degree separation from the entirety of OTK. No thoughts?
No thoughts. I'm thinking if I remember who OTK is as a group.
Muncher King, like the streamer house.
Actually,
Streamer
I have
King.
no clue, no clue. Never heard. I feel like I've heard,
It's
but
like
I
this band, Emiru, you know?
no,
Wilnef. We don't know those people?
no.
Oh, damn it. Well, my flex doesn't really work then if nobody knows who I'm.
I
Damn
thought
it.
I thought it was just me who didn't know them. I'm like getting
God damn
reassurance
it.
from
That was
chat.
a good flex too. God damn
I'm,
it, you guys, you fucking piss me off right now, bro.
and it's like both of our chats are like on my
God damn it, you
side.
guys. Can you guys just like
Uh,
pretend like you know that and be really impressed with me for
oh my
saying
god, you
this?
know OTK? I have no
Yeah.
idea. That's awesome.
Zaki says, girl, please. Fuck you, Zaku. I fucking hate you, bitch. God damn it, you guys. Let me give you a donation. I don't want your money. I don't want your damn money. Keep your money. Wait. Because you need to save your money to get out of Texas. I'm not taking you.
It's so real.
You can be a supportive girl boss by hanging out and being my bestie, but you need to save your money. I'm not taking your money, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. We need you out of Texas. We need you in Colorado in the mountain. Yeah. Oh my god. We got Girl Boss, we got Gaslight. What's the third one? Girl Boss, Gaslight, Gatekeep. Who's our gatekeeper? But please don't gatekeep, because I need more than 10 Twitch followers. I need to be famous. I have 12. Guys, I'm fucking famous. 12 followers? I don't want your 2 whole American USD, Zaku. That's like an entire can of Monster.
Do that. Yes. Everyone in my chat, you can now click follow Rum. Oh.
Yeah.
There you go.
Fuck yes. Well, that's extra reason to not give me the money and save it for your can of monsters. You need them. You need your monsters.
Let's see.
Because you don't drink coffee. I fucking love coffee, guys. I probably shouldn't drink like a whole. Like, I'm not kidding when I said that I just a liter of coffee. And it's not like a great philosophy to start a stream off with. She's gonna fly over to me and beat me up. That's fucking. Please do. I would love to meet you. I'll do it. Come. I'll come get you from the airport and then we can beat each other up, right? Oh, and I can take you around and we can go swimming together. And then you can come and play video games at my house. Wait.
Hi.
Well, Zaku, I was talking about how I need my game to go viral and make a $3 billion so I can buy a horse. And if that happens, I can just buy a horse that's a little less than $3 billion so then I can fly you over.
What if the only horse available is $3 billion? What do you do then?
Well, you know what? If that's true, then I'll choose Zaku over a horse. That's how much I love you, girl. And no horse if I make only $2 billion, sadly. Because I only want the $3 billion horse.
The $3 billion horse. What makes a horse worth $3 billion?
If it's really fast at running, probably, because like the whole like eugenics part of horse thing is kind of crazy. Oh my god! Oh my... Guys, I'm getting banned. Cleared forces. Oh no.
Okay.
Dude, I'm getting both of us banned.
If it happens, it happens. But we're gonna move on from the
Oh
topic.
no. Guys, we're just moving on. We're just moving.
Yeah.
And I'm not gonna mention horses for the rest of the game. The stream. Guys, fuck.
It's all good.
Okay, we're moving past this. We're not gonna. Nobody's getting banned.
Zaku, I
Nobody's getting
sometimes venture into playing very obscure games fast. Because if I try to speedrun any back in mainstream game, then I'm like gonna be position 2 billion on the leaderboards, and then I'm gonna be sad. So if I pick obscure games, then I'm gonna be number one. You know, easy.
That's fucking awesome.
It's also fun when someone like makes a game for like a jam or something, and then I see just a little potential in speedrunning it, and then I get like a fast time within the back in first 5 hours of the game being out, and the dev is like, "What the fuck?" It's amazing.
That's awesome though. Like, I bet like that would make the like devs so happy. That's fucking awesome.
Yeah.
It's like community service.
True. The speedrun community service.
Yeah, Zaku wants everybody to be a Yuppie Psycho fan. She told me to play, and I'm like, I don't have time. I'm just making my... A stupid fucking game.
Ay.
But I don't know if I don't know if Yup is niche because it's like published by Devolver. Okay, our chat is going crazy. Okay. Okay, while the kids are chatting with each other, I'm gonna get some work done. Okay.
But the shared chat thing is like the best thing Twitch has done in a fucking long time.
Yeah, that's awesome, actually. Yeah, our 30-year-old kids. That's just always how I think about it. Like, when my Discord server is chatting among each other, I'm just like, oh, the children are getting along. Is that weird, guys? It might be a little weird, but it's just where my brain. Okay, it's not my fault. The wrong texture. What the fuck? Do we have new bloom right there? We got new city brick. Yeah, exactly. Kind of like how movies have 30-year-olds pretending to be high schoolers. You guys are pretending to be just my little babies over here in my chat, getting along.
Paid actors. No. No.
What the hell?
That is a piracy no go. TOS.
Yeah. I'm just gonna go and delete the CUM comment too. How do I?
That's
How do I
already gone
delete?
far
I
up in the
don't.
chat. It's not visible on my thing. But you
Okay,
can delete whatever you want.
you're fine. I don't know how to delete shit, so I'm just gonna. Oh, I mean your. That's okay, guys. Wait, no. I'm just gonna. I'm not gonna talk about it more. I'm not risking it. I don't know how to do this. What the fuck? Mod view. I don't need a tutorial. Okay, fine. I'm not gonna do this shit. Who cares?
We should
Who
maybe.
cares?
I could like go over some tech stuff later. Probably after
Yeah.
the Kevatjuhla thing.
Okay, that's real smart. Let's do that.
So we can be a little more prepared.
Yeah, that's very smart. Cause I'm not. Yeah, again, we went over this, but I'm not very learn. I'm a bit of a fucking idiot, as they like to call it.
uh,
Yes, it should be it should be your little. Cause that's who I think you are. I'm kind of pissed off that you changed your Discord profile picture. Cause I don't like that it's the Tanuki. I want it to be the alien. Do the alien, Zaku. Please. I love your nosy, but I love your alien more. Please.
fucking ant on my table. What the fuck? Where'd you come
Ant on your
from?
table.
Yeah. Where the fuck did he appear from? Don't go away. Let's play.
Zaku, we should stream together. I don't know what we would stream together, but we should.
Okay, well
We
the
can just
ant
tell
went
each
away.
other jokes for the whole stream.
Anyway.
It'd be awesome. Zaku, are you asking about the PNG tuber? How do you make a PNG tuber? Oh, good luck for your daily run. I need to start. I've been meaning to start running because I've always just been like a gym rat. Like I like lifting a lot, but my cardio is like so abysmal because I just left, so I should start running. So I need to copy you and become daily runner. Oh, yeah. No, I need to be less chunky too, I agree.
I don't know. I need to work on my stamina as well. I mean, not
Yeah,
thankfully not chunky anymore. I lost a bunch of weight over the years despite changing how I eating habits.
yeah. Yeah, I mean, I really like working out. I really love lifting, but it's just my stamina is so shit. And I'm only getting more chunky because I keep lifting and I keep eating my food and then I getting muscle. Alright. Good luck on your run, Dilla. Have fun. I fucking love snacks, guys. But I'm just running on. I'm the horse. But yeah, I was like, this summer I'm gonna start running. It's fun and beautiful, natural to run. But it just, I don't know. I'm not convinced.
I'm stupid. Yeah.
I think I'm kind of done here. I kind of like how. I think I fixed most of the mistakes. So I kind of gotta figure out what else I'm doing next. Or maybe I'll just get off and go eat my breakfast because I'm about to get hangry soon.
Mm-hmm.
Anyone else in the chat get hangry? Because I fucking. Okay, never mind. Not a good topic.
But you gotta wait for chat to respond. You know, you can't just say a thing and then like a few seconds later, like say that.
It's the delay is hard to get used to because I get mad when chat doesn't respond immediately. I'm like, bitch,
Oof.
how dare you not respond to me immediately? Crunchyroll, Yuppie Psycho.
The feature is almost working. I feel like it's close.
Oh hell yeah, you've actually made some progress.
Yeah, but this would have
I've,
been done already like 3 times. I feel like.
well, it's fine. It's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah, yeah.
We're we're doing we're doing good. We're doing good. It's called social. What the fuck is this?
What the
Oh,
fuck was
I
what?
get it. Nothing.
AI.
Is Crunchyroll just doing the same thing as Netflix where they have the games for free? I don't know. Guys, I'm so fucking hungry.
Actually, do you think it would be a decent idea to hop off now? Are you that
I
hungry?
think so,
Or okay, okay.
because I think I'm kind of done here. I have to figure out something else next, and
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna
yeah.
see
So maybe.
if there's anyone nice to raid.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the writing thing.
Mm-hmm.
Creator dashboard.
Alkaline is live. I think we just do we what happens if we okay. I don't know what happens if we raid. Like, do we just both raid at the same time?
Oh yeah,
Let's
it'll
just
probably
see.
just work if you raid, right?
Let's
Probably.
see. Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens, guys. Thanks for coming to hang out. I'm gonna be streaming at early morning in the Saturdays,
Oh,
probably also.
oh, you're
Do you
stealing my
not?
schedule?
Yes, I'm gonna steal
Damn.
your viewers.
Damn, I
Guys,
see.
everybody,
I
just
see.
watch my stream. Abandon Nero, please. No, I'm just
Damn.
kidding. Yeah.
Yeah, no, but on my stream on the screen, there's links nearpredator.com/stream. You can find the stream there. VODs archived nearpredator.com/stream/archive. Yada yada yada, and Discord at nearpredator.com/stream/discord. Join there. And
Join
yes,
my Discord. No, don't join
yes.
Nero's. Join mine. Join
Anyway,
mine.
I'm gonna
Guys,
do the raid.
guys,
Redirect viewers.
guys,
See you later.
join my
Bye.
Discord. Join my Discord. Guys.